guys, I'm here to unbox the latest Phantom. Last year, TECNO Mobile launched their flagship device, Phantom 6 and Phantom 6 Plus in Dubai, and this year we're expecting the Phantom 7, but they surprised us with the Phantom 8. So I have here in my hand the box. The packaging is so beautiful, as you can see. I'm loving this right now. Before I unbox, let me quickly run through some major specs of the device. The Phantom 8 runs on Android 7.0 Nougat with 64 GB ROM and 6 GB RAM. The battery capacity is 3500 mAh. The camera is 12 and 13 megapixels dual rear camera, 20 megapixels front camera. The display is 1920 by 1080 with 5.7 Full HD touch screen. Okay, enough of specs. Let's unbox and see what we have inside. Have it, guys, the unboxing of the TECNO Phantom 8. We will be doing lots of reviews about the device soon, so go to comment section and let us know the review you want us to do, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Bye guys.